Hello and welcome to my channel today. We are going to look at some awesome inventions that will blow your mind, the Logitech Casa Pop Up Desk. The Logitech Casa comes with everything you need for a full desk setup, and when you're done for the day, you can fold it up into this unassuming case and place it neatly on your bookshelf. This is a good idea, but I would like to know whether it is just for fun or if it is something that you can enjoy doing. The Casa has 3 different color options, and the one I have chosen here is Nordic Calm, which is a kind of pale gray and white color with some purple tones. Once you open it, you will find a keyboard, a trackpad, and a nice little storage compartment where they provide you with a USB-C cable. Both of these devices feature Logitech's Easy Switch technology that allows you to connect up to 3 devices at any given time and switch between them with a simple click. Therefore, if you want to go from an iPad to a laptop to a Steam Deck, that is perfectly okay. The stand itself is actually just the right size for a 12.9-inch iPad. However, with only one viewing angle, it does get a little shallow. It could be good for using the pencil, but not for long-term typing. This is mostly made for laptops, and the stand can hold any screen up to about 17 inches. It's the right size, and it works great in the desktop mode of the Steam Deck. How about we take a better look at this keyboard? It's laid out a lot like the Logitech MX Mini, but it's a little different, especially where the Bluetooth ports are located. The membrane keyboard is pretty normal. It has a bit more movement than an Apple Magic keyboard, but it's nice to type on. You won't bother other people if you're sharing a workspace because the keys feel pretty quiet. Like the mouse, it works with Logi Options Plus, a piece of software that lets you change how any of the controls work if you want to. But for now, there are 3 different matching choices at the top of the function row. There is also a cute little emoji button and a normal keyboard layout below. After that, Logitech says you can use it for 5 months on a full charge and for up to a full working day after just 1 minute. The Casa has a rechargeable 1500 mAh lithium polymer battery, one for the touchpad and one for the keyboard, charged via USB-C. Battery life is up to 5 months for the keyboard and 3 weeks for the touchpad. The Apple Magic keyboard is overall a similar size, but the trackpad itself has a lot more space because there's no frame around it. There is a bend in the middle of the Castle Touch that lets you tell the difference between a left and right click. That's right, you can still use all of Mac OS's movements, like the double finger right click. Because of that pivot, if you click on the trackpad sides, you'll hear a very loud clicking sound that's usually louder than the keyboard. That should be fine for most people, but I think it's a bit of a shame that it doesn't feel as high-end as the rest of the Casa experience. Ideal for students and home-based workers who want to quickly wrap up their work and move on with their day, this all-in-one solution is the perfect answer. There are certainly people who will value that about the Casa more than how it feels to use the keyboard and mouse. A nice Logitech keyboard would cost at least $100, not counting the mouse and stand. The Logitech Casa probably does give you good value for your money in the end. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.